Welcome to this free course on affiliate marketing. If you're brand new to making money online, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how affiliate marketing works, why it's such a powerful business model, and how you can start earning income with it, even if you have no prior experience. By the end of this video, you will know how to pick a niche, which means a specific topic or category you want to focus on. Then you'll be able to find the best affiliate programs to join, build your website for free, a homepage showcasing your affiliate links, how to promote affiliate links effectively, and the real strategies that can bring in consistent income with affiliate marketing. If you're serious about learning more, I've put together a complete Skillshare class that walks you step by step through how to build and grow a profitable online business. And the best part, you can join the class for free for 1 month. Check out my Skillshare class on the best ways to make money online today. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and guides on the best ways to make money online. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simple. You promote someone else's product, and when someone buys through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. And the good thing about this is you don't need to create your own product. You don't deal with shipping, customer service, or inventory. You just connect buyers with products they already want. Think of it like being the middleman, but a middleman that gets paid every time a sale or action happens. There are different commission structures. Have pay per sale, you earn a percentage of the sale. Then we have pay per lead, you earn when someone signs up for a trial or submits their email. The other one is pay per click, you earn just for driving traffic to a website. So why affiliate marketing? Here's why affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online. You can start with zero investment, that is no upfront capital. And you can do it from anywhere in the world and at the comfort of your own home, just like I'm doing right now. You don't need advanced technical skills. It can be done part-time as a side hustle or scaled into a full-time business. The biggest benefit is flexibility. You can build affiliate income around your schedule, whether you're a student or a stay-at-home parent or already working full-time. So here are 5 easy steps to launch your affiliate marketing journey today with no experience needed. Step 1, pick your niche. This is the specific topic or category you will focus on. The truth is, there isn't one single best niche in affiliate marketing. Instead, the best niche for you is the one that sits at the sweet spot between 3 things. 1 is your interest. You don't need to be an expert, but you should at least have some curiosity about the topic so that you don't burn out. 2 is evergreen demand. These are topics that people are always searching for year after year, not just short-term trends. And the other one is monetization potential. And some of the top niches that check all these 3 boxes are finance and investment, anything related to money, side hustles, budgeting, or business tips. This niche has endless products and commissions can be very high. Then we have health and fitness. People will always want to lose weight, stay healthy, or improve their lifestyle. From supplements to fitness gear, this is one of the most reliable markets. Then the third one is travel and lifestyle. Whether it's a destination guide or hidden gems or budget hacks, this niche attracts a huge global audience that loves to spend on products and experiences. And here is a quick tip. If you ever get stuck, just open ChatGPT and type, "Give me the best niches to use in affiliate marketing," and ChatGPT will instantly give you a list of ideas to choose from. Finally, once you've picked your niche, decide whether you want to build a personal brand, whether you show your face and connect with your audience, or a faceless brand where you stay behind the scenes and let your content do the talking. Both work perfectly for affiliate marketing. And if you are leaning towards faceless content, check out this video where I show you exactly how to create faceless videos. Step 2, find high-paying affiliate links. The first affiliate program we are going to look at is Amazon Associates. And to get started, head over to Amazon Associates and click Sign Up. I've put the link for you in the description. From there, sign in with your regular Amazon account, or if you prefer, create a brand new one dedicated to your business. You'll be asked to fill out some basic account information and add the website or social media profiles where you plan to share your links. Then complete the tax and payment details so that Amazon can pay you when your commissions come in. Now, Amazon's commissions usually range from 1% to 10% depending on the product category. For example, luxury beauty items can pay up to 10%, while electronics are usually closer to 3%. It might sound small compared to digital products, but the power of Amazon is in the sheer number of items you can promote and the trust people already have with the platform. Now let's talk about how to get your affiliate link. This is where Amazon makes things really simple. While logged into the same account you used to sign in, browse to any product page you want to promote. And at the top of the page, you will see the site stripe bar. Just click Get Link, then copy the short link that Amazon gives you and paste it directly onto your website or into your link page. Here's a quick tip. Amazon works especially ways for categories like home and kitchen products, which are easy to share on social media, as well as travel gear and gaming gadgets, which always have strong demand. If you focus on those areas, you'll find plenty of items to promote and earn commissions. The second affiliate program I recommend is impact.com. This platform is home to thousands of well-known brands across almost every niche, from fashion to tech and software. The commissions vary by brand, but you can usually expect anywhere from 5% to 30% per sale. To get started, head over to impact.com. I've left the link in the description. Sign up as a partner, then fill out your details, including your niche and audience information. Once you're approved, you can browse their dashboard and apply to individual programs that fit your content. What's really powerful about Impact is the variety of high-quality brands you can partner with. For example, you can promote InVideo AI, which is perfect for content creators looking for quick video tools. You can also sign up for Rakuten, a cashback platform people already love and trust, or Shopify, one of the biggest names in online business. These are great choices because they are established brands that people recognize, making them easier to promote and sell. Once you've joined a few programs, all you need to do is create content around your niche and naturally recommend these tools. Whether it's fitness tips or tutorials on using the software, you can place your affiliate links in your website or your content to start earning commissions. The third program I recommend is ClickBank. And ClickBank specializes in digital products, and that's why it's so popular with affiliates. The commissions are extremely high, often ranging from 50% to 75% per sale. That means single conversions can bring in niche payouts. To sign up, just go to ClickBank again. I've left the link in the description. Click Start Here, create your free account, and you're in. Once inside, head over to the marketplace where you can browse thousands of digital products across niches like health, fitness, finance, and even self-improvement. ClickBank is especially powerful in the health and wellness niche. For example, you can promote body supplements, weight loss products, or fitness programs that people are already actively searching for. These kinds of products sell really well because they solve real problems people face every single day. Step 3 is build your website and link hub. Now that you've got your affiliate programs, the next step is to set up a simple website. And don't worry, you don't need to build a full e-commerce store or hire a web designer. All you really need is a clean place online where people can click your affiliate links. For this, we'll use direct.me, which is a completely free website builder, and it is beginner friendly and perfect for creating a quick affiliate website or link tree. Here's how it works. Head over to direct.me. I'll drop the link in the description and sign up for a free account. Once inside, you can create your own personal page and add your name, profile image, and a short bio to make it look professional. Start loading your affiliate links, for example, your Amazon products, impact.com programs, or ClickBank offers. Each one can have its own button. You can even group them by category like best home gadgets, my travel essentials, or top health products. Think of this page as your affiliate hub. It works just like a link tree. Instead of trying to put all your links into one bio, you just share your direct.me link everywhere, on Instagram, on TikTok, or Pinterest, or even YouTube. This step is crucial because it gives your audience one simple link to click, and from there, they can explore all of your affiliate offers in one place. It also makes you look way more professional and organized, which helps build trust and increases your chances of getting clicks. Step 4, promote your affiliate links. Once your website is ready with all your affiliate links, it's time to start promoting. This is where the real magic happens. The more people see your links, the more clicks and commissions you'll earn. Let me break it down for you. 1, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Short form video is one of the fastest ways to get traffic today. Both TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are perfect for affiliates because you can reach thousands of people organically without spending money on ads. Here's a simple formula you can use for your audience. Show a common problem your audience has. Present your affiliate program as the solution. Then tell viewers to click the link in your bio. For example, are you tired of spending too much on travel gear? Here's an Amazon backpack that's affordable and durable, and link is in my bio. Now, here's the best part. You don't even need to show your face. You can use tools like InVideo AI to create faceless YouTube videos. 2 is use Pinterest. Pinterest is one of the best platforms for faceless affiliate marketing because posts, which are called pins, can last for months and sometimes years. That means you get long-term free traffic without constantly creating new content. And here's how to get started. Create a free Pinterest business account so you can track your analytics. Then use Canva templates to design attractive pins. Then add a catchy headline, a nice image, and you make your brand colors stand out. Link each pin directly to your affiliate website or blog post. Then step 5, the real strategies that bring in consistent income. And at this stage, you've already picked your niche, you've joined affiliate programs and built your website and started promoting your links. Now the question is, how do you turn all that into consistent income instead of just a few random clicks? And the truth is, affiliate marketing is all about strategy and consistency. Here are the proven methods that actually work. Create value-driven content. Don't just drop links, create helpful content around them. For example, if you're promoting a ClickBank supplement, write or record content about 5 ways to boost energy at home and naturally recommend your supplement. People are more likely to buy when they see the product as part of a solution. Then grow an email list. So social media platforms can change algorithms anytime, but an email list is yours forever. Offer a freebie like workout guide, budget planner, or travel checklist in exchange for an email. Then send weekly tips and include your affiliate links. This builds trust and repeat clicks. Then the other one, leverage SEO and Pinterest for evergreen traffic. TikTok and Instagram are great for quick exposure, but evergreen platforms like Pinterest and Google bring traffic for months and even years. And single blog post or Pinterest pin can keep sending visitors to your affiliate links long after you created it. Then focus on 2 to 3 products. Beginners often make the mistake of promoting too many things at once. Instead, pick 2 to 3 solid affiliate programs in your niche and promote them consistently. People need to see the same product a few times before they decide to buy. Then track and optimize. Use the analytics in Amazon, Impact, or ClickBank to see which products get the most clicks and sales. Then double down on what's working and cut what is not working. Over time, this is how you scale your income steadily. The key here is being patient. Affiliate marketing isn't an overnight success, but with consistent posting, valuable content, and smart product choices, your income will grow month after month. And that's it, my friends. If you want to take this further and really learn how to build an online business step by step, I've got a Skillshare class waiting for you. Please click the Skillshare link in the description. And the best part is you can join the class for free for 1 whole month and start the journey of making money online. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe so that you don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching. This is Ruth Finance, and until next time, keep creating, keep believing, and keep building a life of financial freedom.